Hi guys, welcome back to my strawberry loom tutorial. Today we are going to need 10 clear or white, whatever you have, and a dark green, one of them, and 13 to 15, whatever strawberry color you want, and like 10 light greens. So let's get started. First you need a hook. Any hook works. You don't need the metal hook that I have here. So first we're gonna start with two of whatever strawberry color you have and put it on your fingers like that. Good job. Okay, now we're going to take it and put it straight, not crossover. Now we're gonna take the crossover and put it over, just like a normal one. Now we're gonna take the other one and put it over, just like that. Now we're gonna take two of the clear or white, put it straight. Now take the pink one and put it over, just like that. And everything is 2 bands. Okay, everything's 2 bands. So 2, 2, 2. Okay. So now we're going to take, after you got your clear, you're going to take 2 light green bands, and then put it over, and then we're going to take our clear and then put it over our green. Now we're going to take our green and put it on one finger. Now we're going to stretch it out like that and take our hook and put it on. You should have something just like that now. Okay, now we're going to do that 2 more times. So we're going to do that, then put 2 over, just like that. Take it over, same thing. Now we're going to take 2 of them, put them straight, and then take it over, and then do that. Okay, now we're gonna take 2 light green bands, put it like that, and then take the clear one over, or whatever, white, whatever. Okay, then we're gonna put it on one finger, then we're gonna stretch it out like that, and then we're gonna put it on our hook. Just like that. You should have something just like that now. Now push it over a little bit. Now we're gonna make another one. Okay, and then put it like that, double bands, then put it like that also, then take it over, take it off. Now we're going to take 2 of them, put it straight, then take our pink one over. You should have something like that. Now take 2 of our light green, put it like that, there we go. Now we're gonna put it on one finger. Now stretch it out, and then put it on our hook. Okay, now you should have something just like that now. Wait till you guys get here. And feel free to just pause the video if you feel like I'm going too fast. Okay? Now we're gonna take our dark green and put it on like that. Now we're gonna take our berries and push it over on our green. Now do our second one. Do it one at a time so your thing doesn't get caught up, and be really careful so the bands don't get caught up. Okay, now you should have something like that now. Now we're gonna push it over and put that on this hook, okay? You should have something like that now. Now we're gonna put it like that. Then your right side dark band, you're gonna put it off your hook, like that. Like this now. Now you're gonna stretch it out. Stretch. Okay, now you're gonna take it off. Now you should have something like that. Little dangly. Now we're gonna take all of the ends. You should have 4 of them. And then take your other ends. Get all the ends and put them on your hook, just like that. Now we're gonna take the same color of whatever strawberry color you have, put it on. Then we're gonna do the same thing and put all our bands on there, just like that. Okay, now we're gonna put it over like this. And then we're gonna take our right band and take it off of the hook, just like that. Now we're gonna stretch it. Oh, that's okay. We're gonna stretch, and if yours breaks, it's okay. Stretch it. Okay, and now if yours didn't break, you're gonna snip it off a little bit. I'm gonna snip mine off a little bit. Or if you don't want yours to break really easily, you can tuck it in. And you're gonna tuck it in. Okay, and that is my little strawberry tutorial. Hopefully you liked this experience. Leave a comment down below and make sure to like this video and subscribe. Thank you for watching.